Budgie breeder one with budgie breeding fun. Budgie breeder one with lots of budgie fun. Oh yeah, you got this too. Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. So, hope you guys like my new intro. It's something. And right here is my little baby Chloe. Say hey, Chloe. Okay, that's enough. Oh, I will be doing a face reveal when I reach 100 subscribers. Just to let you guys know, y'all are probably like, why does he never show his face? Well, it will be shown once I reach the 100, not 100,000, the 1,000 subscriber milestone. This video is going to be like, ooh, I almost showed y'all my face. This video is going to be like a little bird vlog kind of video. So yeah, stay tuned. So down here, if you guys follow my Instagram, you will know that I will be keeping him. If it's a boy, if it's a girl, I'll probably still keep him, her. But I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be a boy. And if it's a girl, I'm going to just change the name. But I named him Oswald. So, yeah, it does look like a boy. The camera does no justice when I tell you that his feathers are very, very stunning. Like, come on, Oswald. His feathers are very stunning. Like, he has up here a layer of green feathers. What are you doing that for, buddy? You're supposed to be my best friend. My best friend. I'm probably going to teach him how to talk. Oh, wow, she's not focusing. Oh, what's going on? Okay, so at the top, there will be green feathers that I've seen, like, them coming in. And now on the bottom, there will be blue feathers. So, his feathers are going to, like, shock people. So cute. Why is my camera not focusing? Okay, there it is. Yeah, I think it's a male. I'm pretty sure it's a male. If it's not, oh well. But that's Oswald. Over here, we have the parents of Oswald. And I forgot to show you the chicks. But yeah, that's the parents. Right there is Rocket. He got pen feathers coming in. I'm gonna come back and tell you why he looks kind of like this. If he looks strange to you, but he probably doesn't because you don't see him on a day-to-day basis. But he looks strange to me. I'm gonna tell you why after this. So I forgot to show you the chicks, but those are the other, his brothers and sisters, or just brothers or just sisters. That's Oswald brothers and sisters. That one right there is actually a day behind Oswald, but I guess his or her growth had slowed down a little bit. So yeah, but he's like a bluish whitish color with a yellow face. And the other one is gonna look like Oswald, kind of. Yeah. Okay, so right here is Ocean, and right there is her mom, Sky. If you look at Ocean, you can see that she is fluffed up a little, and she hasn't been feeling well for the last 2 days. So, putting 2 and 2 together, she probably has a respiratory infection or a crop infection. I think it's probably a crop infection because I've seen, and you guys, these budgies hide their illness like very well. You see how they're active and stuff like that. They just hold their illness till they die, and it's like you'll never know unless you pay attention to like very what's the word? Very something details, simple details, something. But her, she looks fine right now, but she does like this regurgitating crop thing, and they could have like mites in their crop. I've heard of that, and like it's not like gonna kill them instantly, but it probably could. So what I'm going to do is, since I don't have a local vet, a local bird vet, I do have a vet around me, but it's just for dogs and cats. I don't know why my city don't have a bird vet, or like the cities close to my city don't have a bird vet. But I was looking online, and I look into like medicine and stuff, and I do research. And what could be the problem with her? Like, look at her. She's just sitting like that with her eyes closed. She probably could have a crop infection. So what I'm gonna end up doing is find some money somehow, some way, and go online and purchase some Baytril, I think it's called. Yeah, Baytril, something like that. It's medicine for like, it takes care of multiple problems if you don't know what's wrong with your budgie. So I'm gonna get that. She does the same thing. Like, all of these birds do the same thing, except for Ernie, which is right there, and Cotton, which is right there. Like, I don't notice it if they do it. I've never seen them do it or look sick, but they all have something, because they like to regurgitate food to each other. Rocket, he's looking fluffed up too. So if you guys want to help me get some medicine for them, please comment down below. I thought she was about to do the crop thing. It looked like she was about to do it. Like, I really need this medicine ASAP. But if you guys want to help me purchase some medicine, I do have a Patreon that I just created, and I have, I don't know, but if you guys want to help me get some medicine for them, because they really need it, comment down below and I will get in touch with you guys. Because like, I've lost Ruby this year. I don't know how she died. Probably because of old age, but I really don't want to lose any more birds. I'm not gonna keep on talking about it before I get emotional. But if you guys want to help me get some medicine for them, or help me buy some medicine, please comment down below. And yeah, but it's not done yet, because I still have to show you the finches. Okay, right here is Frost. Oh, I said Frost. Frost is my old budgie. I mean, finch. This is Chili. I think she is pregnant. I'm pretty sure she's pregnant. Yeah, she's pregnant. I did see them mate, and I do have a teacup in their cage, but I didn't think that they would have any more babies because I didn't put any nesting material in. But it's too late now. Like, I can stop her from having more eggs by taking the teacup out, because then that's gonna send signals to her body to absorb the remaining eggs. But I really don't want her to have any more babies, because Casper is all I need. So yeah, she's wanting to have more babies. And ooh, that's good lighting. She wants to have more babies, and I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm gonna end up taking the teacup out, and if she lays this egg today, I'm gonna take the teacup out and the egg, so it'll stop her from making more eggs. because I don't want any more babies. If you flip over, if you flip her over, I really don't like doing it with finches because they're so small. But like my other video, like on how to tell if a parakeet is pregnant, you can use this for all kinds of birds. All birds have the same thing. So my method works for any bird, but it was just a parakeet. I'm just gonna let her go. It was just a parakeet that I was doing. So look at this feather. It was just a parakeet that I was doing. So it works on all the other birds too. But yeah, she's pregnant and she's gonna have an egg. So I gotta stop that from happening, because I don't want any more zebra finch chicks. Speaking of bird feathers, I don't know if you guys bird owners do this too, but I collect bird feathers and then I put them. Okay, Scott. Okay, so I collect bird feathers and then I put them in a bucket and I just collect them. I have started over and over and over again because my mom throws them away. But this time I put them in a safe place, so I gotta start over. But I do have a nice good amount, and I'm gonna end up either making like a smaller parakeet with the feathers, like with arts and crafts and stuff, or I'm gonna end up making a pillow out of the feathers. I think that the pillow would be a better option. And yeah, but there's a lot of feathers in here. Right here on the left side we have Casper and his dad. Casper is the baby that I've showed you, and he is gotten a lot bigger, and his beak is starting to turn the color of his dad's, which is going to be red. His patterns are coming in. As you see, he has pin feathers coming in on the side, like where the pet. Oh my god. Take two. Alright, right there you can see his pin feathers coming in. Those are going to be his cheek patches, like right there where his dad has the brown marks. Those are going to be, it looks white to me. And he has his zebra patterns coming in on his side, which is going to be right there. Like you can see a pin feather right there. Kind of, sort of. Yeah, you can see those. Those are going to be the same color of his dad's. And yeah, that's it. So if you made it to this video, I thank you. You're a true supporter. If you like the intro, comment that you liked it. If not, if you guys don't like it, I'm gonna take it down. But oh, and if you want to help me raise money to get them some medicine, the budgies, please comment down below. I will get in touch with you ASAP, because I do see my messages once they pop up. And yeah, take care.